Introducing the 2021 Volvo Xc90 Rdesign T8 Recharge, a powerhouse of a vehicle with 300 horsepower and a 2-litre engine. With a sleek grey exterior and an array of comfort and safety features, this SUV is sure to impress. Cruise in style with amenities like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting. Stay secure with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance systems. Plus, enjoy the convenience of features like remote audio controls, Wi-Fi network, and hands-free boot release. This Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Contact us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive away in luxury and style with the 2021 Volvo Xc90 Rdesign T8 Recharge.